Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Jose Zuniga, and as you know, I love hacks, and well, skincare's no different. You see boys, I understand you guys. I mean, we're guys after all, and we don't want to be overly worried about our skin and pampering it every day, spending hours in front of the mirror. All we want to do is know what works and what to do to just look sexy. I feel you, and well, that's why I love hacks. You should call me the king of hacks, because today, I'm doing it again, and this time when it comes to your skin. Today, I'm going to show you 7 skincare hacks that most guys don't know and you should definitely try. For example, number 1, if you have anything from medium to long hair, you want to sleep with a beanie or an old t-shirt, or somehow be able to tie your hair back and out of your face. Because if you have medium to long hair, which I guess mine would be considered that, when you sleep on a pillow, that hair falls on your face. That same hair is also packed with a bunch of hair products that is packed with chemicals, with oils, with dirt, with bacteria, with sweat from the day, and all that is going around your forehead and in your face. That can clog your pores and cause some serious acne breakouts. So if you've been noticing this, especially around your hairline and you have medium to long hair, try this hack. Number 2, every night, grab a Clorox wipe or an alcohol wipe and wipe down your phone and your glasses. These 2 items are also always on your face, which can cause some serious breakouts and clog your pores. So always clean them off to make sure your face stays nice and clear. Number 3, something most guys don't know yet, but all girls do, is you want to apply heat to your skin to increase the absorption of any product that you use. See, if you use any sort of serum or moisturizer or any sort of acne product and you want to increase its effectiveness, the perfect time to do it is right now, when your pores are wide open, because it's going to increase the absorption it has into the skin. Personally, ever since I started using this rejuvenating facial one from our sponsor, it's been the easiest way to go. All I do is use the one across my skin and allow the heat to open up my pores, and then apply my serum or my moisturizer for the night and allow it to really absorb into my skin and make sure that my skin is hydrated and soft. In the same method, number 4, you want to apply coldness to your face. Just like hot temperatures on your skin have certain benefits, cold temperatures on your skin also have different benefits. This, for example, calms redness, irritation, it shrinks your pores, and even reduces any puffiness that you might have on your face. This is why spas like to put cucumbers on your eyes to reduce any swelling. Well, using the same wand, I can easily just put it on cool mode and get the same effect, and especially if I had a long night, I didn't have enough rest, I apply the coolness all over my skin to tighten up my skin, reduce the puffiness, and close off the pores. This not only makes my skin look rejuvenated, but it also closes up my pores to prevent them from getting dirty and leading to acne. Now, this wand, it's a secret most girls already know and most guys don't, but I'm here to spill the beans because it's amazing for having perfect skin. And this same wand, on top of having that hot and cold feature that you can use for 2 different tasks, it also has a sonic vibration feature, which is great for rejuvenating your skin complexion and even offer you a gentle, relaxing massage. But here's what you're not going to believe. Since this is a top-of-the-line skincare tool, of course, it comes with a top-of-the-line price tag of almost $200. And this is what most women pay for it. But I'm not insane. I'm not gonna let you pay that much. With my code, and for a very limited time, and while supplies last, you can try this wand for only $60. Basically, they're agreeing to take $140 off of retail price just like that. And they say boys are dumber than girls. Now, I would hurry on now, click the link below and grab one before it all goes. The 5th simple hack you can do to have better skin: change your pillowcases at least once a week. Remember how I said your hair is filled with all that unpleasant stuff like hair product, dirt, sweat, bacteria, body oils? Well, all those fluids transfer onto your pillow, and then on top of what you're sweating on through the night, you're rolling all over that pillow sheet, and you keep doing that every single night. Now, most guys, I'd be surprised if they change their pillowcases once a month or once every 2 months. That's disgusting. All that dirt is just festering, and when you lie your face on it, you're just asking for an acne breakout. So make sure that at least once a week, you're always changing your pillowcases so your face has something fresh to lie on. Number 6, this is a lemon and sugar hack. You can make your own natural exfoliator right at home without having to pay anything crazy. Now, before you do this, anytime you apply anything to your skin, make sure you're not allergic to lemon or sugar. But it's simple. You see, lemon is a natural antiseptic, which makes it perfect for removing dirt and bacteria from your pores. So all you want to do is cut a lemon in half, grab some sugar and sprinkle it on half of the lemon, and then use that half a lemon and scrub it all over your face as an exfoliator. Then all you do is wash away with cool water, and you'll instantly feel how soft and clean your skin feels. And finally, number 7, do some yoga. Simple yoga techniques like practicing the downward dog a few minutes a day can have tons of benefits for your skin. You see, since your heart is over your head in this position, it's gonna boost blood circulation throughout your body, which all helps flush out all those toxins that you don't want near your face. It also has other benefits like regulating blood pressure, but what you want for this video, like I said, it helps remove toxins, which will lead to clear and beautiful skin. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Those are 7 skin hacks that you can start doing right now and that most don't even know about. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, That Rejuvenating Wand. It's going to be linked down below at that ridiculous price. That's it for me today. See you next time.